All right, here we go. It's Friday. Grant Johnston here on this episode of Weather Preparation for April 19th. It's cloudy, it's cool out there, and this cool weather is going to stick around through the weekend. So let's get to it. A nice view of Dallas, as you can see right there. Dry weather, but rain is coming back in for Saturday. It's a 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like there's going to be several hours of rain on Saturday. Looking at high temperatures today, only in the 60s. We've been in the 50s this morning, only about 68 in Dallas-Fort Worth today. So cloudy and much cooler compared to the 80s that we had yesterday and that high humidity. Of course, the cold front came through, and that's why we're getting a north breeze today around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So looking at some widespread cloud cover across North Texas. We missed out on those storms yesterday. How do you feel about that? Believe it or not, had some people that were angry. Had one follower on social media that was upset we didn't get the severe weather. Again, remember we said there was a 50% chance, so it's not like it was a guarantee. But basically, we had that doggone cap in place. Not that I want severe weather, but of course I want the forecast to pan out when we say that it's going to storm. So we had that layer of warm air higher up in the atmosphere, and that kind of suppressed storms from forming. And basically when the warm air is capping the environment, you get rising air, and then that's it. The clouds just stop when they encounter that warmer layer of air. And oftentimes that is hard to detect with the forecast models. So that's basically what suppressed the thunderstorms yesterday. There was some hail with a couple storms down to the southwest of Dallas-Fort Worth, down south of Hamilton, you can see those hail markers down there. But by and large, most of the severe weather yesterday was up in Missouri. Tornado reported not far from St. Louis, and they just got hit hard with damaging winds and hail up there. Good news this weekend is that it does not look like we're going to have any severe weather to worry about, but we do have the rain in store for Saturday. For today, though, we've got cloudy skies, cool conditions. There may be a brief peak of sunshine here or there this afternoon, but not much. The clouds are going to stay pretty thick. Temperature is well below normal for this time of year. So we're looking at the water vapor loop here, and our next storm system here, our next disturbance coming in from the west. It's already showing up here, moving into New Mexico. And as that gets closer, we'll see the rain break out later tonight right over North Texas. So an active weather pattern continues. Let's check it out here. Here are the bullet points for Saturday. It looks like widespread rain is in store. There will be several hours of wet weather. There will probably be some dry hours as well, but at this point it's really impossible to pinpoint exactly when that dry time will be. Just count on the rain for sure. It could be heavy at times with over 2 inches still possible in some spots. Some rain may linger, a brief shower may linger into Sunday, but the majority of this will be on Saturday. So let's check it out here. Our computer model shows the rain developing after midnight tonight. By 7 a.m. Saturday, it's here. It'll be widespread. Could be some rumbles of thunder, but again, severe weather is not a concern for Saturday. You can see how the rain kind of breaks up in some spots to the south and southeast. Perhaps there might be some dry periods during the day, but notice how it kind of redevelops on top of North Texas as we head into Saturday evening. And certainly overnight Saturday, the rain will kind of hang around. But finally, by Sunday morning, it starts to break apart, starts to shift off to the east. So it looks like there will be time to dry out for Sunday. And the models have been pretty consistent here with rain totals around 1 to 2 inches and the potential there for over 2 inches of rain and some of the brighter purple colors there. So a lot going on this weekend. The Arts Festival in downtown Fort Worth. Of course, the Blue Bonnet Festival kicking off in Ennis. Today would be a great day to head out there. Mostly cloudy, cool, but dry. And then for Saturday, rainy and cool, 59. Sunday, finally a chance to dry out again, high 64. So jacket weather shows up this weekend. Let's check out the forecast statewide here, and we're looking at, of course, today, cloudy skies here in North Texas. Look at Amarillo, high temperature only in the 50s, still some 80s farther to the south, where the humidity and the warm weather sticking around, a few showers possible down toward Houston. Here's Saturday's forecast, and Amarillo, Yeah, that takes the prize for the chilliest weather. Only 50 for the high. Quite cool here in DFW as well, 59. Some warmer weather, 70s down south. Showers and thunderstorms really statewide for Saturday. As we head into Sunday, a lot of that rain clears and shifts out off to the east. Highs will still be cool in the 60s, and then we'll finally start warming back up on Monday as we see 70s and sunshine returning. By Tuesday, 70s and 80s, even some 90s in far west Texas. So let's put it all together here. We'll check the 10-day forecast, and we're looking at a cool pattern here, a wet pattern, as we head into the weekend. So hope it's a great weekend for you, perhaps an indoor weekend, maybe a good weekend to check out a movie, go to a movie theater with that 100% rain chance. Of course, this is the time of year that we appreciate the rain as we kind of get as much as we can before we get into the summer. Looking at temperatures warming back up into next week, 70s and 80s, with a few more thunderstorm chances late next week. Again, appreciate you liking and subscribing. Make it a great day.